friends, so welcome to my channel and I am Shreya and I'm going to teach you some of the basic HTML commands today. So this is my first programming video that I am posting on this channel, and I will be posting more videos like this. I will be also posting some education related videos that I will be letting you know later in another video. But first of all, as I was saying, today I'm going to be teaching you some of the basic HTML commands that you need to learn. So first of all, to learn those commands, we're going to have to open the terminal, right? So I'm opening the terminal from the all applications button, and so after opening this, as you can see, so first of all I'm going to explain to you what is a directory. So basically a directory is like for example, like let me show you first. This is the files, right? So I am in the home directory right now. So I enter in documents, and see, I created a path, home documents. So each of these are a directory. Documents is a directory, home is a directory. For example, I enter Shreya, and so then I create I enter another directory and the path extends like this only. So how to know with the help of a terminal that which directory you are currently in? So to know that, we have to first of all use the pwd command. And so as you can see, you are in home, we are in home paro right now. So this is the directory that we are currently in. This is the path of the directory and we are in paro. So now how to see what files are in this home directory? So as you can see that from the files we can see that there are documents, downloads, pictures, etc. Now how to see that from the terminal? So first of all, we are gonna have to give the ls command. So the ls command shows what files are in the the directory that we are currently in. So also this shows the only ls command shows the only non-hidden folders or documents of the file or directory. So now I'm going to be showing you that how to see the hidden ones that are in that directory. So first of all, in the files, I'm going to be showing you the hidden files. So I'm just going to be doing the Control H, and as you can see, after clicking the Control H, I can see all the hidden files that are in this directory. So I'm going to be showing you how to see these hidden folders in the terminal. So I'm going to hide these again just by clicking the Control H only. So here, to see these hidden files, I just have to type in ls minus small a. So that gives me that shows me all the hidden files that are in that directory. So with the help of the ls command, you can see both the non-hidden and the hidden files in the current directory you are in. So now we have learned two commands, and now I'm going to be teaching you another command, that is change directory or cd. So I'm gonna explain you a little bit better. So I am in home paro directory, as I already checked with the pwd command, and suppose I want to enter the downloads directory in the directory from the directory I'm currently in. So how am I going to do that? So for that, I'm going to have to use the cd or change directory command. So change directory, and since I want to enter downloads, I'm going to be writing downloads. Now here you have to be very precise about the spelling of the directory or folder you want to enter. You have to be very precise about that. So I'm just going to click tab so that it automatically takes it, and so that I avoid complications of spellings. So I'm just going to enter, and as I already said, you have to be very precise. And now as you can see that I am in the downloads directory, And now I'm going to be checking one thing, that is are there any folders in downloads. So to do that, as you already know, we are just gonna use the ls command, and as we can see that there is nothing in the downloads, it is completely empty. So we're gonna check for some hidden folders that may be there. So ls minus a, and as we can see that there are some dot files. So nothing especially. So I want to create a folder in the downloads. Like I'm going to showing you the downloads, it is completely empty, and I want to create a folder in this with the help of the terminal. How am I going to do that? With the help of a command basically. So to do that, I'm gonna have to use the mkdir command or make directory command. So after writing mkdir, I have to write the name I want for my folder. So suppose I am naming it skb. So now I have made the skb folder. Now how to check if it has worked? I just need to click the ls again, and as you can see that now the skb folder is in the downloads. So now I'm going to be like showing you, like I'm going to be entering the skb folder. So how to enter the skb folder? Simple, by the change directory command, as I already told you before. Also cd and skb. So I just click the tab and enter. So as you can see, I am now in the I'm going to be showing you like we have created the folder, we are in skb. So now I am going to be showing you how to delete one folder. So suppose I don't want the skb folder anymore, I want to delete it. So first of all, since I am in the skb directory or folder, I'm gonna have to go back to downloads. So how to do that? So to go back, I'm just gonna have to write cd ... So as you can see, I am back in the downloads directory, and so this is the command, this is another command of cd, and so now I'm gonna have to delete the skb folder from the downloads. Now how to do that? So now I am in the download section, and I'm gonna just check with the ls again what directories I have in here. So as you can see that I have the skb directory that I want to delete. So how to delete that? I'm gonna have to use the remove directory command or rmdir command, and I'm just gonna have to give the name of the directory. So I just gave the name of the directory and enter. So I have removed the skb folder, but how to check that? Simply do ls, and as you can see, I no more have the skb directory in here. I'm going to check here as well. So there is no skb directory here. So the last command that I'm going to be teaching you today is that if you feel that you have congested the area and you just want to clear all these stuff, so you just have to type clear, and so now I'm going to be doing just a bit of final summary about what I did in the whole video today. So first of all, I showed you the command to see in which directory you are in, pwd. So here you go, and we are in home paro directory. Now I want to know what directories are in the home paro directory. So to do that, ls, and if you want to see the hidden directories, we have to do ls minus a. So that shows us the hidden directories here, as you can see. And so now I want to change my directory, like I want to enter the downloads directory, and so cd downloads, and to write the whole name I can just click tab and it is gonna be automatically doing it. And so I am now in downloads, and in downloads I'm going to check with the ls if I have any folders. I do not. So I want to create a folder. How to create a folder? So that I already taught you. The command was mkdir, or make a directory. So mkdir and the skb folder I am creating, and I'm going to be checking with the ls, and I have the skb folder in the download section. So now I want to enter the skb. So how I'm going to do that? Just use cd skb, and so now I have entered the skb. So now I'm going to go back to downloads and delete the skb folder. So how am I going to do that? So since I am in skb, first of all I have to go out of skb back to downloads. To go back a directory, we're going to have to use cd dot dot. And so now I am in downloads again. And now how to remove the skb? Just use rmdir, or remove directory skb, and now I'm going to be checking with the ls again, and as you can see that there is no skb folder here now. So just like that we did a whole summary. Oh wait, I forgot something. So clear, and I have cleared the whole thing. So this was a whole summary of all the comments you have learned today. So hope you guys liked the video. If you liked, please do share and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you guys get to know more of the Ubuntu commands. Like, these are not all, there are a lot many commands that you're gonna have to learn. So keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching.